So what's going on, YouTube? It's been a while. I was going to be doing this project car every week, every day, every month, whatever. But I picked it up in November. I started peeling off the roof and stuff because I noticed it was leaking a little bit. Once I started doing that, I noticed there was holes in the roof, so I kind of got discouraged. I ended up peeling off the whole roof. My dad helped me out, and we ended up welding it up and straightening it out. But because of that, I kind of didn't record anything. I just maybe took some pictures here and there. So I was a little discouraged with it, but we're back on track. Hopefully in the next few weeks, my hydraulics will come in, my wheels will come in, and we'll get this bitch done. So after we sandblasted the roof, we ended up grinding some of it down, and then we ended up doing a 2-part epoxy with the matrix system. It's really the best thing to do when you get the car down to bare metal, and here, we had to do that. Also, if you notice, we did grind down all the seams and pulled all the seam sealer out of it so we could weld up all the seams and make it as strong as possible. We'll come back and fill that in. I'm gonna open the door. So here my dad came by to help me out a little bit, and we're just putting some Duraglass on the seams to get them back to normal.
Oh, no, we ain't getting this filled in one shot.
Got that Duraglass.
Gotta get it started somehow.
Yep. Yeah, and that seam, I'll just hit it with the angle grinder with the sander disc. If it's too much of a bitch. Well, from what I was told and what I read online, they said to always put your bodywork on top of this epoxy.
Damn it.
Just because the epoxy goes for the hardest surface, so you don't want it to push the bodywork up. So, here we go. Ooh, this is getting in the sun over here now.
Yeah, that means this shit'll dry quick.
I'll just move the car in a little bit, because this back end is in the sun now too. You don't want to try the metal ones, huh?
Old school first.
Wow, I'm surprised that shit's still pliable.
Yeah, it's been a while, huh?
2 minutes and 2.5 minutes I've been filming it. Do you think I get it in sheets that low?
No. You can't buy the cheap paper either, because that's what I bought, and it's fucking junk. That should fill in with the next one.
You get what you pay for?
Huh?
You get what you pay for with the cheap paper?
Yeah.
I'll videotape it in your hand.
Why?
Well, this is the bodywork all done on the roof, or what we think is done at this point. There was a little low spot here in the front that we ended up filling in and sanding flat. Also in the back corner, there was a little low spot. So hopefully, this gets everything. We'll prime it up next and see what it looks like. It's so hard to tell what you have when it's all multicolored and looking like this. Got that first coat of primer, that Matrix 2K on there. Well, it's actually the second coat because we did the epoxy primer. Just doing the roof, fixing all the issues that it had with the rust and stuff. I gotta sand that. The channels all look nice. So at this point, we're gonna have to wait for this to dry. We're gonna have to board it down again and re-prime it one more time and see where we're standing. Make sure it's all nice and flat. So hit that subscribe button and see you next time.